Hey geeks, so if you're brand new to the world of being a creator, there are a lot of things that you're gonna learn and you're gonna have to learn in order to do this for the long term. But the one thing that you'll figure out pretty quickly is that, well, not every video is gonna be for everyone. And so that is something that it took me a while to figure out because I kind of thought, man, I'm just sharing my thoughts, my views, my experiences, and just have fun with it, right? But then over time, as you start getting more views, your channel grows, eventually you're going to have people, and sometimes a lot of people, who don't agree with you. And even though that is something that we are used to in the real world, whenever it comes to the world of the internet, this could be exponentially increased, especially if your channel gets to the point where it's getting a lot of views all around the world. And just remember, there's about 7 billion people and more around the world, and so obviously everybody's going to have different opinions, different backgrounds, and different experiences. And even though you know that as a person, whenever you're on the internet, it's really something that's really hard to prepare for. And that's something that I wanted to have a real talk with you, the creators out there, that you are basically not going to satisfy and make everyone happy. Even if you are a people pleaser, there's always going to be someone out there who doesn't agree with you and who might not even like you or even hate you, even though they've never met you, they don't know anything about you. And for those people, I would say this video is not for you. This channel is not for you, and I'm not for you. And at the end of the day, that's okay. And the whole point of you creating this in the first place is more than likely you probably want to find other people around the world who has like-minded views, and you want to build a community around that. But at the end of the day, not everybody's going to agree with you, and in return, you don't have to agree with everybody. So if you actually had any thoughts in this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my creator videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.